What are you doing, mister? Are you eating your feet? Well, you can't because they're covered with a sock. You want your toy? Do you want it? Do you want it, Goober? There. Get the toy. Don't kick me, you crazy baby. Grab it. Oh, you got it. Holy cow, that was a loud truck. Cohen, that was a loud truck, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Wasn't that a loud truck? Say rum 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 rum. Oh, funny voice. Oh, poor baby.